Good morning. Well, it is morning for me, but good morning or good afternoon to whoever or whatever time I upload this video at, or whatever time it is over there for you guys. But if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and you guys will always see content of my hatch and every other thing that that comes up. But as of now, I actually haven't driven the car for roughly 4 days because I have a leak, coolant leak. But it is not from the fittings, it's not from the line, it's actually from the radiator itself. And it kind of sucks, especially for like how much I paid for it. But at the same time, I mean, there are defects and stuff. Like you can't always get something that's like 100% good. And I guess I just got that lucky bad one, you know? So the car is literally just sitting here. I have the bumper off because the coolant is dripping from the fins. Oh man, hold on, let me I guess can't really see. I have to pull the car out, but I do have a little pan down there. Coolant's dripping out from up here. Is dripping down, and then on the little bottom flap, there's a lot of coolant. I'll pull the car out and show you guys later, but I'm waiting for the new one to come in. It's getting delivered today, so I guess that's when I'll continue the video. But first I want to say, you know, like Speedfactory makes amazing products. It's just sometimes you have just that one thing that's just like messed up, but luckily the good customer service, Zach from Speedfactory, he sent me a new one, so that's very good and very fast. And then I told him not to ship it with fans because I already cut into this fan, I already spliced it and everything, wired it up, so there doesn't send me just another radiator. But I'm very happy because you guys will see when it comes, because I'm very happy about that. Even though man, I'll just wait till the new one comes in, I'll show you guys. But for now, I'm just gonna let it sit here. And yeah. Damn, look at that fitment, bro. Holy crap. Depressing, but it's okay. After I can fix it, I get to drive the car and be a lot more happier and probably make a cruise up north to Corona. There's like a little kickback me, but we'll see. So yes, stick around. Alright, so some time has passed and the homie David recently just picked up this CX hatch. It does have a B16A in it, or B16A2, USCM SI, and right now we're fixing all the problems that the previous owner had on the car. So one is the turn signals. They're wired up wrong with the side markers, so it's causing the bolts to hyperblink, and yeah, it was just off and on. So fixing up the wire right now, I tucked it a lot more nicer, and let's see. So I just have to finish doing these, and then we're gonna wire up the Denji headlights. Adam, if you're watching this, most likely you are. I don't even know where the headlights went. Friend David picked these up from you because he had the best prices on the internet from 621. So Adam, you're watching this, these are from you. So yeah, these are from you, and we're gonna be installing them. And yeah, really clean hatch. 57 DRs. Yeah, Cusco cage, micro crossbar. Really clean. But fixing all the little problems that the previous owner like didn't fix, so just finding a lot of like wiring issues, but yeah, just fixing it all right now. And then I'll show you guys when we start installing the Denji headlights. This is the harness that it comes with. It looks kind of confusing, but it's fairly easy, not too hard. All right, so I have my brother filming for me right now. So this is the Denji harness that normally comes with brand new Denji headlights. And most of the time I see people sell them, they don't come with the harness. This is for the passenger side most likely. So it's gonna run like this, all the way over here, and this is gonna go to the battery. And then right now what I did was I took off the raised bracket, so I can push this harness through and wrap around the AC line. You guys can't see it, but everything's in the way on this car. There we go. What I'm gonna do for this harness is tuck it behind the bumper support beam. It goes in there, and then we're gonna have it pop out of right here and just have it tuck in like that, so it's not sticking out of the way, or it's like more cleaner. So I'm gonna just like that. So just tuck it in, and this is gonna be the passenger side. This is the ground. This side also has a ground. Yeah, we're just gonna try to tuck this away somewhere. I don't know where Dave wants to put it, but we'll figure it out though. Alright, so we ended up doing, Dave suggested that we should go through here. So tucked it in there, goes all the way around through the back of here, or the back of the support beam. The wire's up here, and then the ground for this one is down here. Tucked it down there, so it's a lot cleaner, you don't see it. And yeah, I just got one Denji headlight on. And then now as I do this side, wire all up. And yeah, this is actually my first time working on a EJ or EG, so pretty cool. You got it, the fender? Look how clean this thing is.
This go underneath or over?
It goes underneath,
Yeah, this thing.
What? No, it should go underneath. Yeah, like that. Oh, be careful, dude. This is why I hate fiberglass fenders. Need help? Oh, you got it, There you go.
Yep, got it.
Alright, so finished routing it and found out the best way is doing like this. Well, I could run it through there, but this works. This one plugs into the original headlight harness. This one plugs into the Denji headlight that goes here. I put the relays and the ground under there. That's the ground. Relays right here. I just flip the bolt around, put it in there, use some zip ties, and then this is the final portion, which this goes to the 12-volt battery. How we're gonna do this is I cut the original little loops down there because it wouldn't fit, so I have to extend it. But we're gonna run it behind here, like how I did the side markers, run it behind. Gonna pop out through that hole and run a wire to the battery, or maybe the fuse box. And yeah, we ever tested it, put a battery, tapped on the battery, and it works. So yeah, just trying to hide this yellow wire because this shit's pretty noticeable. I show how to install it. So the wiring's done. Now we just have to plug this bad boy in. Let's see right here. Carefully put in the headlights. There we go. Put in 2 for now. We gotta put the fender on first. But we'll test it real quick. Yeah. Damn, so clean. Because I put the fenders on, and this car does have charge speed fenders. So the headlights are on, looking really nice. Let me turn it on for you guys. This is low beam. Oh, I forgot to plug the corner light back in. Damn it, I gotta redo that. We'll plug it in. And high beam. No, I forgot to plug it in. Look nice. Alright. Now I have to plug that corner light back in, and we should be good. Let me turn it off. Really clean. Alright, I'm gonna plug the corner light back in, and car is good to go, and then that's when I will open this for you guys. Go straight. Keep going. You're good. Oh, you're good. You're good. Probably good. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Oh. All right. What? So as I can see, they sent me the V2, the newer ones that they make, and that is one thing I'm so happy about. They sent me this one. Oh damn, they threw in a bunch of Speedfactory stickers. Alright, so this is the V2 one. I guess compared to the other one that I have now, that one's very boxy. This one has like arches, and this one looks really nice. So thank you very much to Zach, hooked it up, and a very good customer service. So now I'm gonna mount this up, and I told him to give it to me with no fans since I did splice into the fans. And we're gonna take this off. Let me see if I can show you guys where it's leaking at. You guys can't see, but it's leaking from the fins up here and it's dripping down. And if you guys see this, the put off coolant. But yeah, I'm gonna return this to them, and thank you for hooking up for the nice one. They offered it if they wanted to, they could anodize it for me, but I had to wait a week, but I kind of just wanted it so I could drive the car already. So we're just gonna slap this on. Same process as me installing that one, so I probably won't show it. I'm just gonna drill holes in, put the AN lines on the back, and put the fans on, and that's it. I guess I'll just show you guys the after, and yeah, this is the same process. I'll link you guys to the other video. So, yep. Let's see. There goes the coolant, and I still need to install this or connect it. Put that there. Pop this out. There we go. Just let that.
Oh, it's leaking the floor.
It's fine. Just coolant.
Blue.
Why is it blue? Because it's OEM Honda coolant. Alright. Well, now I'm gonna take off the AN lines and the fans, and then install it. And take these off, and I think they're the same size. Yeah, they're the same size, so we'll be good. And he would. Alright. So I took out the fans. I just rested it there because I did route it through there. And now I just gotta take out the radiator and mark up the other holes. Align it on that one, drill it out, and then put that one in. And this one looks slightly larger. Looking at it, we'll compare when we get it out. So let me pull this thing out. The old radiator's out, and on this one, before I thought it was leaking from here, but it's actually leaking from the top, and it's just dripping down all the way on here, and it was, yeah, it was leaking through here, and I don't think these are really repairable unless I don't know. But yeah, I was gonna let it drain out, and oh my god, this thing. And now just gonna drill 2 holes in here and mount it up, and that's it. Also, one thing I just found out is this one is slightly taller, so I need to trim the radiator support a little bit more to fit this one. And if I had to compare, so version 1, it's a black one. Version 2, very nice. So thank you very much, Zach at Speedfactory. Now I just gotta trim the radiator support a little bit more, and we should be going to install this. So the new radiator's in. Only difference is it does say Speedfactory Racing, and it's raw aluminum. It has these curves in it. But the radiator is slightly taller, so I had to trim this a little bit, but now it's perfectly fine. The lines are all connected. Now I have to bleed the system and pray for no leaks. Most likely there's not gonna be any leaks. That was just, you know, one of the bad defective ones. Not everything's perfect, but this raw aluminum one looks pretty damn nice. All right, time to add coolant and bleed the system, and I'll get back to you guys. I need to change the battery too. The battery's about to die on this. Bleeding right now. What I was saying earlier, huge shout out to Zach over at Speedfactory for helping me get a new radiator, and very, very fast. All I have to do is drain out the black one. I gotta make sure it's completely dry, and then send that one back to them. They already sent me a return slip. I have all that. So I'm gonna try to pack it up tonight. Hopefully all the coolant and stuff gets out of it before I ship it away. And yeah, now I don't need this pan anymore because it was leaking coolant. And yeah, so far so good on this one. I know on the previous video I ended it pretty like sudden after I just turned on the car, but after that I just left the car in the garage for like a day or two, and then it started leaking from the fins, but now it is good. Just gonna bleed the system and wait till the fans turn on. And someone did ask me like what direction are the fans supposed to go. This one's to blow that way. I think you can make it blow the other way, but it won't make sense. But yeah, so it's letting it bleed right now. And it's pretty cold, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. And I need to go get some gas for this car. This car is literally on E. And yeah, just gonna let it bleed, and that's about it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be working on the white EG again on Saturday, so I might be filming that also. And we're just trying to fix that car. And yeah, just some wiring issues and everything, and probably change out the whole harness. And we'll just wait till he gets all that stuff. But yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And sorry if it's not much, but who's this? Some time has passed. During that clip, Ronaldo rolled up in CSX and we went to go eat lunch and hang out. And then yeah, took this out for a drive. It was fine. But the issue I had was there was a small leak from the A line, and I forgot to tighten all the way. And now that's all tightened, and there's no leaks on the radiator whatsoever. And I will admit, the polished one looks so much nicer. And I just have the bumper off right now. I'm gonna be redoing the little fan switch wire for the fans. I'm gonna probably be tucking it inside the actual like frame, so you don't see it. So I'm gonna be doing that. And yeah, it's the same exact radiator, but this one is slightly thicker and slightly taller. So I had to trim a little bit, and I think it touches my bumper now, so I have to trim some plastic down there, probably just cut it a little bit, just little tabs. But besides that, really good. And thank you so much, Speedfactory. Best customer service ever. Got to me in no time. Now I think this is done draining, so what I'm gonna do is tape the fittings just to make sure no more coolant gets out into the box. Put it back into the original box it came in, put this new shipping label they gave me, and send it back to them, FedEx. And yeah, I'm happy. The only thing I had was it was leaking from up here, dripping down. But I mean, like I said, now everything's perfect, especially everything's custom made. So, but they got it to me in no time. And who would have thought, like, I didn't want to own the aluminum one or the raw aluminum one, the V2 one. I got the blackest black, but they did offer like if they wanted to anodize it, but I was like, no, it's fine. Just send it like that. So, but I'm doing this a lot more now too, and yeah, I can't be any happier. So like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and don't listen to others. Just build your car your own way, and you'll be a lot more happier with the outcome. Because whatever you just want to build, just build it, do it your own way, and yeah, just be really happy. So peace out, guys, and stay tuned for the next videos. And thank you for 17K. We're growing really fast. 17,300 right now, and lately I don't know where everybody's coming from. So thank you for watching the videos, and glad you guys enjoyed the content. So peace out.